All right, listeners, good day. This is Ojiosado Innovation Nigeria Limited. We are IT professionals. We specialize in building solutions software for company, organization, institution, and any parastatal that require or need a IT solution. We have been here for many years. We have served so many organizations with our years of experience. We have built standard application, secure, scalable, and dynamic software that serve for day-to-day activity in any organization where operations users' data are managed. So today I want to do a quick demo on my previous video I made regarding my CBT we built. The CBT, if you watch my previous video, you will see that it can serve for many purposes. Yeah, it can serve for various purposes, and you can use it for anything that has to do with exam conducting exam. In the aspect of a university, it can serve robustly. In aspect of secondary, primary, online exam, promotion exam, name it. Thousands of exams can run seamlessly without interruption. Okay, so if you like this application, hit my DM. Let us know how we can configure it for your organization and get it running right away. Now, coming back to today's video, I want to quickly show you the new version that I've added in the previous CBT demo I made before. So I added a new version. This version actually captures how we can curtail the challenge of impersonation during exam. Okay, how can we curtail the challenge regarding impersonation during exam? Because we have found out that a lot of students in the course of exam are being impersonated. Okay, so this impersonation happen every time, every day during exam period, and we cannot say we don't know about it. So the rise of technology today, we can handle all these things at ease if we choose to inculcate the latest version and embrace ICT totally. Now today, very quickly, say for instance, if we don't have the student data in an Excel, so I want to quickly just create a registration page. Like you have seen already, I've created a registration page. So I'm going to register, upload my passport, fill in my name, then put my last name, put my whatever, then submit the form. Then when I do that, it's going to register me. Then in turn, I will use that to login. All right. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to come here, pick a picture that I will use as my passport or whatever for the purpose of testing. So I'm going to use this. If you look at this picture, I'm going to use this. Then I'll put my name. I will not say Joshua. I will say Joshua Ifeanyi. For instance, I will just come here. I will say department. I will say computer science. Computer science. All right. Then course code, I will say GST 101, for example. I'm going to submit this. So once I submit it, it will register me. All right. Then submit. All right. You see, registration successful. You can see it here. Don't mind the alert message. I can customize this later, so don't mind about that. So you can see registration successful. Then I can go to login. Okay, now mind you, if I check my database where we have this, where we have students who have registered, you will quickly see that I have been able to register successfully. All right, so we are going to check the last student that just registered. If you look at it, you see it picked my image that I use in registration. It picked the course code. It picked my department. It also generates exam number for me automatically. This is my first name. This is my last name. And this is the ID in terms of registration. I'm going to pick this exam number. This is what I'm going to use to log in. So before I log in, mind you, I have to check if the exam is running. As somebody who is conducting the exam, I have to log into admin. Please, I'm going to be very fast in this video because I have explained this in my previous video. The only thing I just want to show you is the latest function features I've added to the existing one. So I'm going to log in here. Now it's going to bring me to what? The admin dashboard. All right. So we have here gone to start and stop exam. Check GST 101 is running. Okay, so I don't need to start it. So let me go back to student page. Now I'm going to log in, enter my exam number, then click login. All right. Now it says something. It says the exam has not started yet. Is it true? Let's look at it. If it is true, GST 101 is running with what I'm saying here is running. All right. Now, do you know why? Because mind you, we just registered that user right now, and it's showing here that exam is not running. So I have updated it now. If I refresh this database, you will find out that it will now be showing what exam running for that particular student. That is the reason why. And now you can see now exam is what running for this particular last student, because it was not among the uploaded student through the Excel data sheet of the existing data. Okay, mind you, if it is to be a school exam, we may have all the students in an Excel format. Okay, where we can come here from the admin page, we can just say upload. Okay, we can say upload attendance. You see where we can upload attendance from the admin page. All right. Now, if you look at the GST 101 now, if I view the uploaded student, you find out that user that I just registered just now is here. Look at it. Ifeanyi Joshua. Are you seeing it? Computer science. Okay. It has been added in the admin page. All right. So that is that. Now let's go back to where we can write exam. Now, what I want us to know here is that the new feature that has been added to curtail impersonation is that it will capture the student before you can start exam. Mind you, when I was registering myself just now, I used a passport. Okay, mind you, that passport can serve as the passport you use in getting admission, or the passport you use during a registration, okay, into that university or that institution. Now the day of exam has come for you to write exam using CBT. So today I am writing my exam. So the system will compare. By the time I enter into the exam hall, people who are the examiner, the invigilators, they will not be able to compare and say, who is writing this exam? Is this you or is this not you? From there, they can easily checkmate and catch the particular person who is impersonating. Okay, that is to know the legitimate user and illegitimate user. So now I'm going to come here. I'm going to enter my exam number again. Click login. What happened this time? You see, it has redirected me to instruction page. Now, if you look at the page, you can see me, right? I hope you can see me. So I'm going to allow this application. Okay, so video capturing is on. Now let me scroll up. You see, mind you, there are instructions here written here. Exam instruction. You can read it through. This is the exam that I'm writing, GST 101. It picked my name. Okay, he said this is the exam remaining that I'm here to write. So I'm going to come down now. Now, mind you, what is here is the reason why I'm doing this video. This is the reason why I'm doing this video, because I want you to see the latest version that I've added to this application. Now look at it. I'm going to come here and say start exam without capturing my face. What happened if I do that? You see, it said please capture your face before starting exam. Mind you, there are some students who are very smart. Peradventure, he or she might have used this application before, and they know the URL to the question and answer page. Okay, sorry, the question page, that is the CBT page where the questions are loaded. So peradventure, the person is a little bit tech inclined, so he want to be smart. He now say, okay, let me pass through the URL, which is the link. He now come here, for example, he now say CBT .php. He hit enter. What happened? The system will redirect that student back again. There's no way you can boycott this face capturing. So you must capture your face before you can be able to write the exam. So to do that, I'm going to quickly come here and say capture my face. Immediately I do that, you see, it says faith captured successfully. You can see that at the bottom. Now, I'm going to say start exam. When I click start exam, what happens next? It will grant me now access to start exam. Are you seeing it? So, are you seeing two pictures now on my screen? So you can see two pictures on my screen. This is the one I used in registering just now. This is the one I just captured just now. So these two pictures can be used to compare, okay, by the examiners or invigilators during the day of what? Exam. To be able to ascertain if this person is impersonating or not. Okay? So if you look at these two pictures, these are my two pictures. And if you look at it, they are alike. Okay? So this is what I want you to know. Every day, I keep adding more features, trying to make programming fun, technology approachable for everyone. So feel free if you like this video. I don't want to begin to answer questions again, because if you watch my previous video, I have been able to answer previous question. As you click here, you click next, you see it has shaded it green because this one has been answered. If you click next, it will continue to shade it green. And mind you, you cannot submit, because we have seen several students who just come to exam hall and submit exam and leave the exam hall without writing anything. So you must answer up to 35 questions, half of the let's say half of the question before you can submit and leave the exam hall. All right. So the feature I want you to know that has been added is this what? Impersonation checkmating. Okay. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you on the DM, on the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Ojiosado Innovation. Like, share, and comment. Let's see your comment and see how we can answer the question and add more features to this existing application. Goodbye.